This is DJI's new RS3 Mini. It's about 40 to 50% smaller and lighter than the other two full-size RS gimbals in the lineup, and it feels nice and small in your hands too. You could literally toss this thing into a small backpack like Moment's MTW bag I have here, and it's there if you need it, and if you don't, well, it doesn't really matter because it doesn't really get in the way. The payload is still incredible at about 2 kilograms or 4.5 pounds, so there's no problem tossing on your Sony a7S III, your FX3, your Canon R5, or even the Panasonic S5. It's also got high torque motors, so you shouldn't have to rebalance the gimbal when you zoom in and out a little bit. I also love the fact that it's got auto calibration mode to make small adjustments if it's not perfectly balanced. For the size, it even has this 1.4-inch screen on it, which might be one of the easiest menus to navigate to date. It charges in about 2.5 hours and lasts about 10 hours, so you can basically shoot all day with it. And lastly, one of the coolest features for all you short-form creators, this camera actually shoots native horizontal and vertical. Quickly unlock the mounting plate, take off this horizontal arm, and attach the mounting plate to the side of the gimbal. It actually makes the gimbal even lighter than it already was. You could of course crop into your horizontal footage, but I like shooting vertically in 4K to get the highest quality content possible, and then I switch back to horizontal for my other standard filmmaking needs. This gimbal for me checks all of my boxes, and best of all, it hardly takes up any space in my bag.